If like me, you spent endless hours grinding away on GTA 5 just to get your hands on the OPPRESSOR Mark II, then you will want to work your way up again, but this time in real life. This is Speeder, the world's first flying motorcycle. JPA's Recreational Speeder TM represents the ultimate in personal transport. It is fully VTOL, capable of vertical takeoff and landing, and can effectively take off from anywhere the size of a small car space. Originally intended only for military, government and commercial clients, JPA is also designing a version of the Speeder TM for the recreational market. It will be lighter than most 125cc motorcycles, fully stabilized and simple to fly. Flying the recreational Speeder TM will be just like riding a motorcycle but in the sky. Being fully stabilized means that minimal pilot training will be needed. It will take off from almost anywhere and will fly at over 150 miles per hour. It will also fly at up to 15,000 feet, but the company don't expect many of our customers to need this. The Speeder can reach up to 150 miles per hour, can be controlled by the pilot or fully autonomous operated. It has a maximum range of 30 minutes flying time, and has a max thrust of 1,200 pounds. The company planned to build two versions of the recreational Speeder TM. The ultralight version and the experimental category version. The ultralight version will not require a pilot's license to operate. All of the training will be provided by JPA, or one of our authorized training centers. The ultralight version will be limited to carrying 5 gallons of fuel and to 60 miles per hour flying speed. The experimental version will require a private pilot's license to fly and will have no fuel or speed restrictions. The starting price is a hefty $380,000 for the personal version, which you can pre-order now at the company's website, jetpackaviation.com. So guys, what do you think of this invention? Will you be grinding through the night all over again to get your hands on one? Let me know down in the comments, guys. And remember to like and subscribe for more artificial news.